Assalamu alaikum, grade 6. Hope so you all are fine and you are having good time at your home, grade 6. I hope so that you have done your previous work of self practice 1D. As we have completed this exercise, we are moving to the next work. We are going to round off. We are going to learn about the round off. What is meaning by round off? We have some rule here, some journal working. How we will round off? When rounding, look at the digit to the right of the place to which you are rounding. At the right place which digit is present, we will look that. First rule is, if the digit is 5 or greater, round up. We will go to the upside. I will tell you how we will go up, how we will round up. If the digit is less than 5, it will be round down. If it is more than 5, it will be round up. And if it is less than 5, it will be round down. Thus, to round off the nearest 10, look at the ones digit. When we have to round off the nearest 10, then we will look at ones digit. And when we are going to round off the nearest 100, then we will look at the tens digit. We will always look at the before digit that we have given. If they said that tens, we will look at ones. If it is hundreds, we will look at tens. If it is thousand, we will look at hundreds. And if it is 10,000, then we will look at the thousand digit, and so on. Like for looking lakh, we will look at the digit 10,000, and for 10 lakh we will look at the lakh digit. Here they have tell us few examples. First they said that round off each of the following numbers to nearest 10. They said that nearest 10, so we will look ones number. The first number is 573. Look here, 573. The ones digit is 3, and 3 is less than 5. You know that 3 is less than 5. So it means, according to the first rule, it means it will be round down. And when we round down, the ones number will be changed into 0, and the second number, the number at tens place, will be same, will not be changed, leave unchanged. So when we will round it off, 3 will become 0 and 7 will not change, it will be 7. So 573 rounded off to nearest 10 is 570. We will round it down, we will make it 0, and 7 will be unchanged, it will be 570. The next we have 635. The digit at the right of tens place is 5. At the ones place, so consider 5. At the ones place it is 5. So 5 is equal to 5, then it will be rounded up. We will round it up. And how we will round it up? We will round it up in the way that in tens number we will add 1. Ones number will be replaced by 0 and tens number will be increased by 1. So if we increase it by 1, it will be 4. It will be 0. So rounded off number will be 640. In the same way, if I tell you the next one, it is 807. So the ones number is 7, it is greater than 5, so it will be rounded up. And when we round up, then at tens place we will add 1. It will be 1. When we add 1 in 0, it will be 1. And 7 will be replaced by 0. It will be 810. Get that? Now I will tell you one question from exercise. First I will do its D part, 869. Look here. 869 I have written, and I have put it here a arrow. The first number at once. They also tell us that round off to the nearest 10. When we are going to round off the nearest 10, so we will look at the ones number. We will look at the ones number. One's number is greater than 5. It is 9. It is greater than 5. So round up. When we round up, the ones number will be changed into 0 and the tens number will be increased by 1. Ones number will be replaced by 0 and tens number will be increased by 1. So its answer will be, so 869 rounded off to nearest 10 is 870. When we replace the ones digit by 0, and because 9 is greater than 5, so we will round up, means in tens place we will add 1. So it will be 8. When we add 1 here, it will be 7 and 0. 870. Next we have its B part 84. You see that 4 is less than 5. So it will be round down. For rounding up or for rounding down, the ones number will always be changed into 0. If we are rounding up, 1 will be added in tens number. But if we are rounding down, the tens number will be remain unchanged. We will not add any number in the tens number. So its answer will be, so 84 rounded off to nearest 10 is 80. One thing you must keep it in your mind, that if one's number is greater than 5, then we will add 1 in tens number. But if it is less than 5, then we will not add any one number in the tens place. Tens place will remain same and ones place will become 0. Ones place will become 0 in also rounding up and in also rounding down. Get that? It's D part and B part I have solved. Remaining all parts you have to solve.